Hello universe and happy Independence Day. So I fueled up my bike. You see the full tank, and I'm heading towards the meetup point, which is in Airoli Toll Naga. And I believe a couple of subscribers of mine will also come. Let's hope for the best. I'm excited for this ride because the weather seems to be amazing and it is a day of freedom. It's around 7 now and a couple of guys didn't come, so we have 5 of us have left now. So right now at Airoli Bridge, and we are heading towards Sinhagad, Pune.
Sweetness, I can read your mind. I see your skin turn red when you lie.
So we are here at Panvel. One rider between us, he didn't fuel up in Mumbai, so he fueled up here. And the weather today is sexy, man. A lot of riders out there, you know, riding in Independence Day.
If you don't wanna tell me nothing, then you can go straight to hell. Now I'm gonna tell you something. You fucked this up yourself. I'm pulling up my pair of shoes, and I'm jumping from the plane we flew. First I'm gonna tell the truth, but then I'm burning my bridge to you. I can read your mind. I see your skin turn red when you lie. If you don't wanna tell me nothing.
I just love this type of fog. It feels like I'm in heaven. So we are about to reach Hotel Kamath. Done with the breakfast. We are leaving for Pune now, and from Pune we'll take turn for Sinhagad.
You fucked this up yourself. I'm pulling up my pair of shoes, and I'm jumping from the plane we flew. First I'm gonna tell the truth, but then I'm burning my bridge to you.
So we have reached Chandni Chowk. That is the beginning of Kothurud in Pune. So guys, this road towards my left, this road goes to Kothurud and it enters Pune from this bypass, and we are going straight. So this is Kothurud, one of the best places to live in Pune. मित्रा, वारजे ब्रिज कोणता? हाच आहे ना? तर मग एनडीए जायसाठी घालून जावं लागेल ना? मग इथून सरळ जाऊ ना? So right now we are at Varje, Pune. So there will be a Varje bridge ahead, and we have to take a right turn from below that bridge. So we'll touch the NDA road that will take us to Sinhagad Fort. So we are taking this right turn, and this road will go to NDA Khadakwasla. So guys, this is the NDA towards my right, and we are going towards the dam, Khadakwasla Dam. वो सिंहगढ़ वो है, वो पहाड़ है झाड़ के पीछे. अरे वो है ना, वो वॉल, वो डैम की वॉल है. वो वॉल के उधर से एक रास्ता जाता है. अपन यहाँ पे आ गए. वही अभी मेरे को भी बहुत साल हो गए. रुको मैं देखता हूँ एक बार. So we are at the Khadakwasla Dam, and this is the what do you call it, wall of the dam, right? Cool. I'm coming here after a couple of years. I came here once while I was in Pune. Actually twice. Actually many times, I don't even remember. So by the way guys, for your information, I have done Sinhagad trek twice. So I have climbed all the way to the top from the bottom 2 times. I have trekked Rajgarh, which was one hell of a trek once, and also Lohgarh and a couple of treks more. So just in case you're wondering some good trekking places near Pune, you can visit these. And that, my friends, that mountain up there, that is the Sinhagad Fort. I mean, the fort is on the mountain, of course, and the road is not so good, but yeah, at least it is not raining, so that is fine. Wow, a lot of things have come up here, like some sports like go-karting and all. When I came here last time, there was nothing like this, and the road was also not so good. Okay, I guess we have come to the turn. Yes, right. So towards the right, you can trek to Sinhagad, but this road will go up to Sinhagad. Okay, please don't stop us.
Tell me nothing, then you can go straight to hell. Now I'm gonna tell you something.
Oh my god, you see that snake? Oh my god, that was a big snake.
Fucked this up yourself.
Okay, we are really on the top, and guys, I can tell you how cold I'm feeling right now. It is afternoon, it is almost 12, and it is already so much cold here. Oh my god, feels like winter, and the road is pathetic. So guys, that is the place from where the trek starts. People are trekking now as well. They are coming from this way, like this, from the mountain up till here. Alright, so we are all set to leave. These are the 3 bikes out here and 2 bikes are here. कैसा है पैर? So right now it is 3 PM. We'll stop. The next stop we'll take at Lonavala directly because we don't have a lot of time. So approximately we have covered around 180 kilometers and we'll do the same again, 180 kilometers back home. So it should take probably around 4 to 5 hours depending on the situation out there. कुछ नहीं देखा कैमरा ने, कैमरा बुरी बातें नहीं देखता. अरे इधर कचरा नहीं करने का, उधर कितना कचरा पड़ा देखा तू? So guys, we are leaving for home now. It was a day well spent. I just love this place. Amazing view, amazing historical monuments and amazing people to ride with. हाँ? अरे ये लोग जो खुशी खुशी ऊपर जा रहे हैं ना, इनके लगने वाले. We have come down now from the mountain. We have covered around 190 kilometers from Mumbai. So towards my left, this is a city, a township kind of thing. It is called Nanded city. At the Sinhagad road, towards Sinhagad actually you will find this Nanded city. It is full of houses, apartments, towers, offices. In Pune you have a couple of cities like this. For example, Magarpatta. Now, how do I know all this? Well, I stayed in Pune for like 2 years, so I know a lot of things in Pune and I really love this city. What does that happen, man? Well, have you observed one thing? Nobody wears a helmet here. Actually, the rule is to wear a helmet, but hardly anybody wears because people in Pune don't really care about all these rules. Puneri Mars, we call it. मुंबईला कसं जायचं? पुढे जाऊ का? बरं ठीक आहे. Yeah, but people in Pune are helpful. Yes, and most of them are local people like Marathi people. So if you are Marathi, then it's well good for you. If you are not, even it's good for you. So this is the highway that I am talking about. Okay. Yeah. So I am in this beautiful city of Pune. I wish I could have stayed here today, but I can't. After staying overnight at my friend's house, I'm all set to leave for Mumbai. I wanted to stay more, but I really can't. Maybe next time. maybe if I do a Bangalore ride, while coming back I might stay here. So right now I am in Baner and it is about 12 p.m. So now finally I have joined the Mumbai-Pune highway. This is the bypass actually which goes Satara, and to this side is Mumbai. So now we have reached Dehu road. So this road straight goes to Pune itself, but it goes in inside Pune. That is, it goes through Pimpri Chinchwad and then it will go straight to Shivaji Nagar. And this bypass, the road from I came till here, that is a bypass from Pune. So it touches Baner, Kothurud, Katraj, and then it goes to Satara and Bangalore. So this is how the road is for Pune. I just love Lonavala. Whenever you are free, just come here. Very, very close. Wow, man. What was that? You know why I love Lonavala? That was one of the reasons. Alright guys, so thanks a lot for watching this video. This trip was really, really good. I thank all the riders that were with me in this ride. A couple of them were my subscribers, so I thank you a lot, Prasad and Rahil, for being with me in the ride. And you both are just excellent riders out there. You are catching up and maintaining the good speed. So all the best for your future rides, and I hope I get a chance to ride with you again. If you want to say something, you can just comment down below, guys. You can connect with me on my Facebook. I schedule all my rides over there, so if you want to join me, you can just check out my riding schedule on Facebook and uploads on Facebook. And yes, on Instagram I'm regular, so you can check out my photos out there. So yes, again, thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next vlog. Till then, peace out.